Üni vermak, which was founded in 1995 with ÇAKAR Electrical Automation Company, was founded in Istanbul in 2013 in order to provide services on recycling projects and electrical automation systems. We are working on project design studies, recycling systems, and wastewater treatment systems with our founding committee consisting of all engineers. With the systems we have installed, we aim to minimize the pollution of nature by making chemical wastes ready for repeated use. With our caustic recovery facility, where we offer business-specific solutions in order to increase the profitability of our customers, we have fulfilled our environmental protection responsibility. We have always been committed to all our projects so far and have stayed true to our terminus. By producing research and development supported, norm and high-quality standards, we have fulfilled the demands of our customers in the best way fast. As Üni vermak, we promise to do our best for a cleaner nature with our projects that we have brought to this polluted world every day, just as we were in the past.